Well, good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Motorhome in Fern. As you can see, it's a lovely morning here in Norfolk. We're currently about 6:30 in the morning and we're having our first walk with Guy. So the plans for today are to just have a lovely leisurely walk into Munsley and back along the beach, guys. That is this morning. This afternoon I expect we'll have another walk, probably back towards Trimbingham direction on the beach, guys. So stick with the video, guys, and hope you enjoy it. So we'll say bye for now and we'll see you on the road into Munsley later. Right, good morning everybody. We're out and about again for our Saturday morning walk now into Munsley. So we're going to head out the campsite at the gate. We're going to walk through the town first and then come back on the beach on the way home, guys. So we'll be out for a good couple of hours this morning. Hopefully we'll get a couple more drone flights in as well, guys. So I think we've already had 3 flights from around here, guys, so all worth watching. So yeah, so let's take you on a little walk through Munsley. So as I say, we're going to head out the site and take a left turn and we'll show you the sights. Right, so we're heading down the main street at Munsley, and if you require a shop, guys, while you're stopping at the campsite at Sandy Gulls, on the left here you've got a Premier Stores, and that is the closest one to hand, guys. That's probably about 3 or 4 minutes from the actual site itself. And further along on my right hand side we have a Tesco's Express soon, so that is about 10 minutes walk from the site, but you got a choice of 2 pretty nearby, guys. So if you're running out of anything, there's shops to go to. Right, so there is the Tesco's Express. As I say, that is probably 10 minutes walk from the site, and next to it, if you're running low on fuel, you got a petrol and a diesel station. Right, we're going to keep wandering along now. We're going to take a little left turn soon and we're going to have a look at the gun embankment where the guns were placed on the... Sorry about that, yeah, I was just saying where the guns were put for the Second World War and that. So there's all the concrete structures there still for those, so we're going to head that way. Hopefully we're going to probably get the drone up from there, have a little flyover the surrounding area. So yeah, that should be good. Right, so we're going to take a left turn here, guys. This lovely building which they've converted into flats, I believe. Right, I thought we were in the right place now. So you can probably make out these concrete structures in front of us, and I believe those were the gun embankments. So let's just pop up onto the top. It's a nice little area to get the drone going from. I think the last time I was here I did post some pictures. You could just about get the camera inside, just have a quick look. Right, we're going to see if we can get the drone up now. Right, so we're going to carry on with our walk. We just had a little fly with the drone, and there's a little bit of information there Munsley World War II emergency coastal battery. A little bit of history in Munsley. Right, so we're going to follow this path round and hopefully it'll bring us round to the church next. Just show you a little bit more. As I say, there's some little peepholes in there. You can poke your camera in there. Right, a lovely view of the church. We're on the coastal path at the moment. So we'll see if we can get into the grounds of the church once we've... Oh, we got a gate here, so that was lucky. Let's just pop through the gate. All right. Looks like it's built in those flint stones. Got a nice graveyard as well. Right, not too sure if it's open. No, it's not open today. But yeah, we'll just have a wander down the path and we can get a better view once I spin round. So that is the church. I'll tell you its name as we're leaving, guys. Beautiful building. I did do a drone flight around it the last time I was here. Right, see if we can put a name to the church. Right, the parish church of All Saints, Munsley. Right, so we're going to continue around the corner now into the actual little town of Munsley. There's not too much to see there now. I think the last time I was here, a few of the shops were shut up, closed up. You've got the Coronation Village Hall there. Obviously that was built in 1910. And there's another view of the church. Right, I think we've got a Chinese restaurant here on the left hand side and the local working men's club coming up, but on my left here you got the village library. Right, Chinese food and takeaway. So if you fancy Chinese when you're at the site, that is the Chinese restaurant, takeaway shop. And there you got Welcome to the Hague Club. That's a working men's club. And you got an old church on the right hand side, the Methodist church. Jesus welcomes you. Sorry, not for me. Over the road you got Tuddy's, another convenience store. And Also, you've got a bike cycle shop. You need any repairs doing to your cycles, you've got Woods Cycles. And crossing the road again, we've got the chippy. We've got the village chippy here. Not too short on the opening times. Last time I was here, we did have fish and chips on a Friday night. I wouldn't say they were the best fish and chips I've had, but they were edible. I can't see the times on there, guys, but I don't think they're open every day. And you've got a lovely hotel there, going to Rack and Ruin. That was closed up the last time I was here. Right, this is Munsley Green, I would say. Looks like there's a Coast Guard lookout point here. And you've got the memorial as well for World War II. So that is the view down onto the beach. That will take you along to Bacton and Walcott. And here's the memorial. We've got a bomb there depicted and a few poppies. Obviously those were from the last Remembrance Day. And you got a little plaque there of who died in the Great War, 1914, 1918. Right, and as I say, that is the National Coast Guard Watch. I do believe you can go in there and have a look around. You got Jim's Surf Shack and Beach Cafe, ice cream bar as well. And I just want to have a look at the local park as well now. All the times I've been here, I've never been in the park, so let's just have a little wander in here. Not too sure which is the correct way in. I think we can go this way. You've got a little putting area there, adventure putting, crazy golf you might say. Little football area, and I think we're just a general park this is, guys, so nothing much else to see. You got a car park here as well. You might get a small motorhome in here. And it's for £1 for 180, sorry, for 1 hour. 2 hours is £3.60. If you wanted a few hours on the beach. Right, so this is the main park area. Right, so let's head back down the main street. Right, so we're going to wander down here. You've got the ship in. Sky's found a ball. Got a few more shops here as well. Ice creams, coffee. And this is a hot, cold food baguettes coffee shop. Saturday from 10 AM. And we're coming up to the ship now. So on the left hand side we've got the ship in. They also do fish and chips. It's called the Catch. I must admit, not had them from there, so I'm not even sure on the opening times. So you've got a beer garden, children play, and spectacular sea views. So we'll just have a little wander in here. It does say dogs welcome. As you know, not being a drinker myself, I don't use these facilities. But I'll have a little look over. There's a sea. I think we're coming up to high tide, possibly, going by yesterday, how the tide was when we got here. And as I say, look, loads and loads of seats here, guys. On a nice day, if you want to sit out and have a drink. Right, so we're going to pop down onto the beach now. I had a little wander through Munsley. As I say, there's not a great deal here, guys, but it's a nice little place to come for a couple of days. A campsite, especially if you just want to walk the dog, come on the beach, etc. Obviously, if you want to go out and about more, you got Cromer nearby, which is about 5 miles away, over Strand. As I say, Backton down the road, and Walcott. So if you want to get out, you can. So there's no excuse for just staying about here. Right. Right, we'll have a wander along here. Right, I guess it's time for a little bit of beach play again. It's quite breezy down here. Just an odd few people walking their dogs. We've got no restrictions at the moment on the beach. I think they come in force probably Easter. Certainly a different feel to today. It's currently only about 6 degrees. They did say it'll be a little bit cooler Saturday. Tomorrow we might get a wet start to the day. We've got Lucy's on the beach restaurant.
As any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, today and not tomorrow.
Right, we nearly got caught out by that, jumping down. We did make it. So as I say, the tide is definitely coming in now. Hopefully we should be able to walk this top end of the beach okay. Right, we'll go back up the steps now. beach route. This side is getting cut off by the tide. Up here, Sky. Up.
Gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with color and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound.
Oh, I gotta get the ball.
Talking, the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sunshine in the day. Gonna let the past be filled. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, but it's unsaid, words be spoken. Let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly.
One of those pillboxes.
The darkness starts to fade. Feels like
Not
things
too sure where that is. Come off the cliff, but
I'm gonna let the
if it has, it's come down the right way. Right, as you can see, beautiful day still. Slowly making my way back.
I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my
Not so easy walking on these stones. Right, just noticed there's some cliff top steps. You must go up to another campsite. I would imagine probably the kilns. But we're just gonna keep heading along the beach. I imagine we've got about another 10 or 15 minutes before we get off the beach. And then we're going to take the road up to the campsite. Well, we're still heading back. Seems to be taking a long time coming back. I think it's walking on these stones which are making it slower. But we're getting there gradually. Right, I think we're finally at the road now. This guy's saying, come on, Dad, help me. Come on, up, up. Right, so I'm just going to take the steady walk up to the top now, back to the campsite, and then I think we're ready for 11's. Right, made it to the top. There's the views looking down. Let's have a wander this way. Alright, that's where we come from. You can see the tide is in, so we've had to walk to the back of the sea defences. You can just about make out Sandy Gulls campsite there. Right, while we're sitting and just having a little break, guys, just like to say thank you if you've watched the vlog, guys, to the end. And that, yeah, don't forget to give me one of those thumbs up and comment if you could, guys. And also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do hit that bell icon for any notifications, guys. And we'll do it all again this afternoon. We'll probably have another little wander down this direction down to Trimmingham end of the beach, and yeah, we'll go from there. So it's a beautiful day. We're going to make the most of it, because if tomorrow's rain, as forecast first thing, it looks like we'll be staying in. So thanks a lot, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.